Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if any Epson EcoTank printer is printing blank pages instead of what you actually want to print, or the inks are extremely faded, almost invisible. In common cases you can fix it in 1 or 2 simple steps, so let's get into it. The first step is print head cleaning. We will do this in Epson Smart Panel application, but don't worry if you don't use this app. Later in this video I will show you how to do this from your computer. Also, if your printer has a display, you can find this feature right in your printer settings, but I will show you the method that works for any Epson tank printer. So here is your print head cleaning tile. If you don't have this tile on your home screen, just tap on your printer's image and you can find this feature here. Tap on that, confirm your action, and if you continue to have print quality problems after performing head cleaning, follow the instruction in the manual. But I will show you a solution in this video, so let's just close this window. Also, always make sure that you use the latest firmware version for your printer, so let's tap on firmware update. I'm using the latest firmware, so if you have update option here, just update your firmware, then restart your printer and try to print something once again. And of course, check the ink level in your tanks. Probably you're just missing some color that is necessary to print your document or photo. Well, let's move ahead. You can make sure that print head cleaning is overlooking at the power indicator. It should stop flashing and start glowing solid, and the printer is not making any sounds from the inside. So try to print a document. If the page is still blank or the print quality is poor, try to clean the print head for the several times, up to 5 times. If you still have the same problem, proceed to step 2. To run stronger, more powerful print head cleaning on Windows computer, you need to click on Start menu and go to Settings, then start typing Printers, select Printers and Scanners, select your printer's model over here, and click on Printing Preferences. So now I can close this window so you can see better, and switch to the maintenance tab over here, and here is what you need. From here you also can run normal print head cleaning and update your software, but what we need to do now is run power cleaning. To get there on Mac computers, you can use these instructions. Pause this video and open the settings, and let's continue together. So click on power cleaning. And here is the first warning. They say that if you performed head cleaning when the ink levels were too low to be seen in the ink tank windows, in this case you need to refill your tanks before power cleaning. And also they recommend you to wait for at least 12 hours without printing after several print head cleanings. So keep this in mind and click next. Now confirm there is enough ink in the tanks, and you understand that an interval of 12 hours is required between each power cleaning. Confirm this, hit next, and here is the second warning. This function affects the service life of the waste ink packs. So probably you just need to replace the thing. Maybe it's just out of service lifetime. Anyway, I won't start the print head on my printer because it's pretty well and I don't want to spoil the details inside. But if you have no other options and if you think that you really need the power cleaning, start this process and you can repeat it after 12 hours. But if after this you still have printing problems, I recommend you to take the printer to the service center. Somebody might also recommend you to buy something like print head cleaning tools somewhere on Amazon and try to manually clean the print head yourself, but I strongly not recommend you to do this because it's really not so easy to take the tank printer apart and put back together just to clean the print heads. I recommend you to contact Epson support or maybe some third-party service if the printer is out of warranty, or maybe you are a handyman and you really can do this, but do it on your own risk. I hope this video was helpful. I hope your printer is well now, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button to support us, and see you in the next videos. Bye guys.